Welcome to the perfect place to learn English easily and fast. If you want to improve your vocabulary, listening, and speaking in a fun and simple way, this is the ideal channel for you. Here, you will learn real English with quizzes, conversations, and practical examples you can use every day. Let's start learning together. Welcome to this English travel quiz. Test your vocabulary and listening with airport and travel situations. Let's start.
What is a passport? A travel document. What is luggage? Bags you carry when traveling. What does flight mean? Trip by plane. What is boarding? Entering the plane. What does ticket mean? A travel document to enter a plane. Choose the correct word. I need my passport. My luggage is very heavy. The flight is delayed. We board the plane.
Test of listening.
Yesterday, I went to the airport with my family. We showed our passports and checked our luggage. Then, we waited for our flight. Finally, we boarded the plane and started our trip. What did they show? Their passports. Where did they go? They went to the airport. What did they check? Their luggage. What did they wait for? The flight. What did they do at the end? They boarded the plane.
English conversation.
Excuse me, is this the line for check-in?
Yes, it is. Where are you traveling?
I'm going to New York.
Nice. Is it your first time?
Yes, I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, it's easy. Just follow the signs.
Thank you. Where is the boarding gate?
It's gate 15, near the coffee shop.
Great, thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice trip. English vocabulary, travel.
Repeat after me. Passport. 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 Ticket. 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 Luggage. 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 Airport. 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 Boarding. 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 Gate. 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 Delay. 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 Check-in. 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 Wait for the flight. Wait for the flight. Wait for the flight.
Thank you for watching this video. Comment below what you learned, what you understood, and how you did in the quiz. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. See you in the next video.